There you are, that is our very quick and a very easy cook chickpea curry. Look at that. Hi everyone, welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick today. Couple of cans of chickpeas. We're making a chickpea curry. Very easy, very quick, very tasty. Come on. 2 cans chickpeas. Okay, these are empty now. Drain and rinse. That is my rinsed chickpeas there. Grab yourself a pan and get your pan on. Nice pan, this one. Now we're doing a fusion type cooking today. We have to put a little bit of oil in to cook the garlic, ginger, onions. However, I'm going to use coconut oil. But we want to cook out the coconut milk to give us the best flavour. So that is an Asian style cooking mixed in with a Western style cooking. So we don't want much oil if this thing will come out of here. It's quite solid. That should about get it. Onions in. Now you can colour these, it doesn't matter. If they go brown, it's in a curry. It don't matter. Whatever you like. A nice little shufty around in there. Let's start to cook it down. This is garlic and ginger, just freshly grated in there. Start to cook out that rawness in there, you know. There you go, we're getting a little bit of colour on those onions in there, look. I'll just turn the heat down a little minute. We don't need it going crazy. Right, this is where we start the real Asian cooking. This is a can of coconut milk. And for all the people that say you can't split coconut milk, you can. And what we mean by split, we cook the coconut milk until the oils release. That means this is going to cook down and the oil is going to release, and that is going to give us an intensive flavour and a good oily base to start cooking with. It doesn't matter if it comes out of a bottle or comes out of a carton or it's fresh. It still contains the coconut oils that we can use. So we just cook that in there until it splits and we have the oil. So you can see this has evaporated the milk out, it's starting to split and we're getting the coconut oils. This flavour has already intensified. We're getting the best out of our ingredients. There you go. That has given us a nice oily base in there. Now we're going to put just a little bit more in. We're going to do exactly the same, but this time when this starts to cook off and bubble, we're going to add our spices to cook in there with it. So this would be just the same as adding a paste if you were making an Asian Thai type curry. So all we're doing is going to cook those spices in there. Whew, that's quite intense already. This will up your curry game, making curries this way. This is going to elevate this chickpea curry way better than cooking all this and getting the coconut milk and just chucking it all over it for flavour and boiling it up. It's just an extra, oh, not even 2 minutes, is it really? Come on. So you can see this has been cooking for quite some time. and it's not burning any way. In there, tablespoon of tomato puree. So just stir it in. How easy is this? And we've elevated this curry already. It's got fantastic flavors going on in here already. Flame is not too high either, you know, it's nice and steady. Right, we want to be going in here a teaspoon of sugar. That's going to balance out the acidity in the tomato. So just give that a little quick stir around. There you go, look at this. This is a fantastic paste. Look at this. Proper quality. In there with some tomato juice. Now these are whole tomatoes, so we're going to do the usual. We're just going to cut them up with a pair of scissors in the tin, and then we're going to add them. If you have chopped tomatoes, use chopped tomatoes. And we're just going to give that a little, one of those over there. Now we are not bothered if we have some little bits of tomato in here. Fabulous. So we're just going to give that a little cooking in there. This smells absolutely amazing. Really good. Now I have some fresh curry leaves. Now this is completely optional. I've got trees growing here, so you know, I'm lucky I can use them, and they're just going to go in. So that is really an optional extra. Come on, let's not get stressed over that. A little bit of salt in there. And I want a little bit of black pepper. I want a little bit of underlying heat coming through. It smells off the charts. So what we're going to do is just introduce some more coconut milk in there. There's a bit more in there yet. Just let it come up to temperature. Cook that in there. We're going to have a really nice coconutty tomato chickpea curry. So let those flavours come in. We'll finish off the carton and we'll chuck our chickpeas in. As easy as that. We'll add the last of that coconut milk, and you can see how watery that is. Let that come back up to temperature and we'll add our chickpeas. And that is virtually done. Chickpeas in there. Fantastic. Just going to stir through a little bit of coriander, save a little bit for garnish at the end. I like the coriander flavour through there. If you don't like coriander or cilantro, don't add it. That's it, we need to let that cook for about 10 to 15 minutes. No more than that. Just keep coming along in that 10 minutes and just give it a stir. You know, this will thicken, but we don't really want to thicken it too much, to be honest. We want a soupy curry. Okay, that is an absolutely perfect chickpea curry. Now you can stir some more coriander through there if you want. It doesn't need it. You put it on when you serve up. Let's serve. There you are, that is our very quick and a very easy cook chickpea curry. Look at that. That is a bit special. Come on, come on. We're in. Okay, curry. We got some basmati rice on the side there, cooked in the rice cooker because I don't cook anything in one pan with 1.5 cups of water to a cup of this. Let's have a go. Come on. Oh, you've got to be kidding me. This is second helping straight away, I can tell you. This is fantastic. What a fantastic creamy tomatoey curry. That is delicious. Oh, there's no way you're going to beat this flavour. You can't. Now, if you remember the other day, we made these. You know, these are made out of mashed potato. They are absolutely stunning. Second day round, rewarmed. These are fantastic. Proper quality. Let's get in here. Oh, to die for. You know why? These are soft and supple. They're not dried out like chapatis. It is phenomenal. What a meal. Oh, look at that. Oh. It makes me want to think I'm going back in the curry business. I'm not. And we got this really nice basmati rice, really fluffed up. Well, there you are. This is a fantastic, emphasize fantastic chickpea curry. The flavour bursting in here. It is ridiculous. So good. You need to make it. Highly recommended. You know, tell your friends how easy it is to make a real chickpea curry. Come on. There you go. We made it properly. We split the milk. We didn't just chuck it all in. Flavour profile. This is off the charts. Now, I'm not one of those that's going to say, oh, chickpeas better than meat. But I'll tell you, you don't need any meat in here. This is fantastic. Blow you away. Fantastic. If you like what we're doing, big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, ring that bell. Catch you in the next video. Oh man. That is off the charts.